With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So the students, we have a replacement set which is a set of integers. Okay, set of integers which are denoted by I or Z between -6 to 8. Okay, and we need to find the solution set which satisfy this inequality. Okay, so our set I is what? Integers from -6 to 8. And what are the integers from -6 to 8? These are -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so these are set of numbers given to us. Okay, and we need to find those x which satisfy this inequality. Okay, so for that I have to solve this inequality first. Okay, 6x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 9 plus x. Okay, let me add 1 on both sides. So I will get 6x minus 1 plus 1 should be greater than 9 plus x plus 1. Okay, student. So this will give me what? This minus 1 plus 1 will cancel out each other. So I have remained with 6x on left hand side. This will be greater than or equal to 9 plus 1 will give me 10. So this will be 10 plus x. Okay. Now I will subtract this x on. So I will get 6x minus x will be greater than or equal to 10 plus x minus x. Okay. So if I solve this, 6x minus x will give me 5x should be greater than or equal to this plus x minus x cancel out each other, or we have remained with 10 on right hand side. Okay. Now if I divide this by 5 on both sides, okay, see, now I will get my final result, okay, which is x should be greater than or equal to what? 2. Okay, so this is our final inequality. Okay, so see, it is saying that x should be greater than or equal to 2. So what are the values in this set which are holding this condition? This term, this term, this term, this term, this term, this term and this term. Okay, these all are greater than or equal to 8. Okay, so our solution set will be including these values 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so this will be our solution set. Okay, hope you understand the solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.